Hey friends, hey! Welcome back to our PDCA The Vote series and happy National Voter Registration Day. Did you know that since its launch in 2012, National Voter Registration Day has helped register over 5 million Americans? And this day is about more than just registering to vote. It's about celebrating our democracy and taking action to ensure every eligible voice is heard. So, this is week 6 of our series, and we're focusing on voter mobilization using the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle to prepare our networks and our communities for Election Day 2024. First up, let's get the plan together. Think about your community. Think about your circle of influence, your network that consists of your friends, family, neighbors, colleagues, and youth, young people you know or who you're connected to who will be first-time voters. Ask yourself, how can you help them prepare to vote? Maybe they're not registered yet. Not registered yet. Yet is the key word. Or haven't thought about how they'll get to the polls. Keep in mind barriers like lack of transportation, misinformation, or confusion about voting rules can stop people from getting out to vote altogether. That's where you come in. Step up by ensuring a minimum of 4 people in your network are registered and ready before Election Day to vote. A straightforward way to get started is by visiting vote.gov/register. Again, that's vote.gov/register to help those in your network register to vote or to confirm their voting status. Once you understand the barriers the folks in your network may face, then it's time to move to the do phase. This means taking real action, whether it's organizing a local voting information session, arranging a carpool to the polls, or sharing reliable information about mail-in ballots and absentee voting. You can help bridge the gap. And remember, swing states like Arizona, Georgia, Michigan, Nevada, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin will play a critical role in the outcome of this election. Mobilizing voters in these areas will have a massive impact. You'd be surprised how effective a simple text, postcard, phone call, or visit can be. After that, it's time for the check or study step. Follow up with the people you've helped. Have they registered? Do they have a voting plan? Are they ready for Election Day? Maybe they don't think their vote matters, or they're confused about the process. Please take the time to listen to their concerns and provide clear, fact-based information to keep them engaged. Finally, you've reached the act step. Please, please, please encourage the folks you've helped to spread the word and help others and their networks get out to vote. Imagine the ripple effect we can create when we commit to helping each other to get out to the polls. Voting is a privilege, and it's a responsibility. It affects not just our lives, but the future of our communities and the future of the next generation. Let's commit to making our voices heard and our votes count. Thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on all things voting as we continue our PDCA The Vote series.